Here are a few simple do's and don'ts that will make your small cases experience even better. Let's start with things you should do. Watchlist a small case. If you want to track and monitor the performance of a small case before investing in it, you can simply add it to your watchlist. We will ensure that you get regular alerts when your watchlisted small case goes up. Start SIPs. SIPs are great for long-term goals. You can start an SIP while investing in a small case or anytime later. Track your small case performances. Every small case comes with a performance summary, dividends, news and more, so that you can track seamlessly with index value, see dividends you have earned, stay updated with latest news. Check portfolio health. Portfolio health helps you achieve maximum efficiency in your wealth creation journey. Check it periodically on the investments page. Rebalance regularly. Your small cases are built on ideas. Rebalance updates keep your portfolio aligned with the original idea. So, ensure you are applying the update on your small case when you receive one. Now, let's see what can be avoided while investing in a small case. Don't skip SIP. The idea behind starting SIPs is to invest with discipline. Make sure that you always complete your SIP on time so that your financial goals remain on track. Don't sell stocks directly on the broker platform. The small case platform doesn't receive your order or trade activity from your broker. In this case, your small case holdings may be incorrect. For all transactions related to small cases, transact directly on our web platform or app. Don't let emotions guide your decisions. Being emotional or hasty can prove detrimental to all investment-related decision making. Don't pay heed to rumors. News can sometimes get noisy. Rumors tend to dent your long-term plans. Believe in your idea and ignore rumors while investing. Don't exit too soon. Small cases are built for long-term investing. Give your portfolios time to perform and grow your wealth. For any other queries or concerns regarding small cases, visit the FAQs page or feel free to reach out to us.